So in this video I will show you how to earn money on YouTube. So make sure to watch this video till the end, okay? So let's get started. First of all, all you need to do is know you will need to meet some requirements that are at least 500 subscribers and 3 videos published in the last 90 days. Also, you have to meet one of these requirements right here. It's 3,000 watch time, public hours, or 3 million views on shorts. And after that, all you need to do is meet this other requirement to earn from feed ads or shorts ads, okay? You need to hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours, and 10 million shorts views. Okay, so that's how you can be eligible to monetization. And after that, all you need to do is continue posting content with consistency. This will make you a lot of money if you keep consistent. Okay, YouTube is a game of consistency, so if you want to grow, you need to do this for a long time. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.